Oh, that worked. Missiles, jump. I don't know how to jump. Wait, how do I jump? Ah, I didn't get those missiles, did I? The music, eh? Scary. Look. I have to fight that beetle thing or whatever later on.
Beetle?
Beetlejuice, Beetlejuice. We will see some Beetlejuice, all right. Scan. Elevator's operational. Let's go. See you later, Beetlejuice.
Beetlejuice, Beetlejuice, wow, wow, wow.
Yeah, we're gonna see some Beetlejuice squirting out of that thing in a bit. Full energy. Ah! Come on, man. Ugh. Oh, I'm dying. I haven't even got to the Beetlejuice. Why is that guy still alive? Oh, long range plans. Bam. I'm a little bit scared. Oh. How do I open this? Oh, you gotta scan these things. There's a lot of weird buttons you gotta get used to. Deck Gamma approved. I've been approved. We're moving. Oh, that looks so cool, man. Did I scan that? Scan. Dude, that was new. Well, this one's good. He's got moves. Let's go get this energy. Scan is sideways and then left trigger. Please insert the metallic spear to open the door. Oh, that means turn into a ball. Okay. No inglés. No inglés. Oh, I remember there's a trap in here. There's gonna be some guns. I can't get out of the ball! Oh! No! Oh! Whoa! Whoa! Calm down, calm down. Press and hold ZR to draw. What? To draw in pickups. ZR and A. ZR. What? Okay, stop! Get out of that thing. What pickups? I missed what they wanted me to do. You okay?
I'm just pointing this to set.
What am I supposed to do? This? Door lock enable. Please insert metallic disc. Wait, what is this though? Oh! What is this? Save! Yes! I almost left without saving. Saving in progress.
Okay.
The game has been saved and energy fully replenished. Laser tag. Wow, look at the shoulders on this lady. I will crush your face. Oh, you got turned into a ball. Here we go. Boom. I guess we're going this way. Let's go. Oh, the cockroach fight. Or whatever this thing is.
Look.
Whoa, there he is. He's puking. Oh, it looks so much better in here. He's dancing. Come at me, bro.
It's not even good.
Don't like that, huh? Damn it, I missed it. Find the enemy's weak spot. Oh, scan? I know. Oh! See you later, bug. I think the enemy's weak spot is just like through the glass, right?
Evacuate immediately.
Oh, not this again. This is stressful.
Evacuate immediately. Evacuate immediately.
I don't know how to jump. Which one's jump? Go, 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 go! Ah! I barely made it last time. Scan, scan, scan. How do you scan? Scan! Get a deck approved, let's go. I'm on the hologram. I had like 30 seconds last time. I gotta go as fast as I can. Go, 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 go. Scan. Auto turret disabled. Let's go. Oh! Oh, they died. Oh. Please die. Please. Get out of my way. I'm in an emergency. Oh, go. I got 5 minutes. The place is gonna explode. Ah! Blind! Come on! I can't see. Go, 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 go! I don't know where I'm going. I don't know where I'm going. This way, this way. Get out of here, man! Oh, this is stressful. Go, 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 go! Gotta get to the exits. The whole building's gonna explode, or whatever you call this thing. Get out of here, man. Can I go faster as a ball? Let's go. Whoa, what was that? Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Ball. Ball. Oh, it's better as a ball. Come on. 5 minutes. Stop. Stop. I feel pain. Jeez. Come on. Get me out of here. I'm dying. What's hitting me? Spiders. Or whatever those things are. Okay, okay, okay. We can make it. My heart is just beating really fast. My heart is beating. Don't forget to breathe. Don't forget to breathe. Oh, what's going on? What was that? I'm following this thing. Okay, turning. Go, 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 go. I remember that thing last time. So the blue area on my map is unexplored. Come on, come on! Oh, grappling hook. I don't know which button it is. Oh no. The pterodactyl dragon. Oh, he's mad. I burped. I don't know which one. ZL, okay. Look, go! Go! Scan! I don't know what to scan. I don't know the buttons anymore. Auto turret disable. Let's go. Scan. No, run. No, wait, it's disabled. I don't care, it hurts. Ah! I have to scan, I have to scan. Come on, I'm running out of time. I'm running out of time. Oh, I hope I didn't pee myself. What's happening? Oh. They took my stuff. I'm yelling. Suit malfunction. No, it's too hot. Oh, come on, I forgot to turn the fan on. Oh my gosh, this is stressful. Oh, turn it back on, come on. We got 3 minutes. Oh my gosh, everything's good. Everything that could go wrong is going wrong. I can't, I'm losing my weapons. The heat